Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how we can easily add extension in Google Chrome. So what you want to do is just write into Google extensions and then click Google Chrome Google Web Store. Now you have all extensions here you can download. For example, let's say that I'm going to download Boxer Rebound and Grammarly for Chrome. And right here it is. I'm going to add to Chrome. Add extension. Use this by clicking on this icon. And I can play. So, continue. So when right now your internet won't work, you can play games, for example, or you can download Adblock. Wait a second, I really like this game. Continue. Let's also play game number 2. Okay. Okay, so this is how we can do it. I hope this video was helpful. And yeah, thank you very much and goodbye.